Hold on. So I was gonna do an ASMR style until it was ruined about 50 seconds ago. But yeah, I started off with 16 hot dogs. 16. I ate 4 on another recording and realized 7 minutes into it that my phone wasn't recording sideways. So I stopped it while I had 12 left and figured that I'd just do another one. Being that I had headphones, I figured that I'd make the sound a little more interesting. So yeah, it's funny because then I should have recorded when and my dad was like, "Holy moly!" And tell my mom that today's her birthday. Happy birthday, and my niece's birthday too. Shout out to both of them. But yeah, I told her I'm gonna make a video, and she was like, "Oh, you right now?" I was like, "Yeah." Like, oh, okay. But yeah, so I'm down to 6 left. I told them if I don't finish it today, I'll eat it for lunch tomorrow. But that's obviously not the case because I'm gonna dust this. There's just something about hot dog and rice. I can eat it anytime. I mean, anytime. So yeah, how's everybody's night going? How's your week going so far? Tomorrow is actually my Friday because I will be going to camp on Friday. So Thursday is my actual Friday for work, which is pretty cool. Okay, now is it ready to come up? Oh, that was the airy one. Boo. Got some water here. Can't hear Jack. And some root beer. know I just discovered. Not sure if it's just for this Safeway brand, but there's actually zero sodium in here as well, as opposed to other diets. There's like sodium in there, but this has 2% potassium. So 16 hot dogs and some rice. Good lord. My stomach is half full. Yeah. So, shout out to the people back home in Hawaii. I'm not Hawaiian, I'm Samoan, but I support you guys 100%. And, behind you guys all the way. Ku'ukiai mga. Chiho. It's so sad. I seen a video today of a chief officer who is Hawaiian just breaking down. I mean, I understand, like, that's your people. Yeah. And then again, this guy's just doing his job. He has family. And it's hard because he's basically, I don't know, having to choose, even though he says he doesn't want to. And just crazy because he was crying in front of all these kupunas or these grandmothers. It's sad. Crazy what the world is coming to. You know what? Ige need Lickens, that's why. Yeah, Ige, whatever your name is, Ige. I like Lickens, eh? Let's see with that little bit of root beer left for these last two hot dogs. But it's going down. Yes, sir. One more. last hot dog. Mm. This is just regular hot dog. Cheap, very inexpensive. It's like 88 cents a pack of 8. So I boiled 2. Cook some rice. And bada bing, your boy get dinner before he goes sleep. But whew. Shout out to all my subscribers. It may not be much, but it's just the beginning. Shout out to all my late night watchers. You know who you are. Baby. Alright. 16 dusted. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when you're done subscribing, hit the notification button so you know when I get videos up. But thank you guys again for tuning in. Let me know if I should do some ASMRs. I have a mic, like a really nice mic. You know what? I might do some ASMR. I had one attempt at ASMR, but I don't think it went well. Sorry, Misha. We did the soda one. Oh, who knows? I'll probably post it. We'll see. But yeah. Thank you for showing up on my video again. My page. My channel. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah. Don't forget to do everything I just said to do, okay? Tell somebody you love them. Love your family. Love your enemies. Love your friends. Be kind to one another. And all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow me on all other social media platforms. I recently made a music page, so yeah. And that boy named Dinah on Instagram. A music page. I'm trying to establish a music page. So yeah. Follow me. Follow Jesus first and then follow me, okay? But yeah, thank you guys again. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and chicken grease. Girl, work on something. Alright. Dynamite. Boom.